Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Ang aking tutorial video ngayon ay how to avail 8% income tax rate through ORUS or Online Registration and Update System ng BIR.
Kailangan meron ka ng ORUS account. Kung wala ka pang ORUS account, gumawa ka muna sa website ng ORUS. Ang website ng ORUS ay orus.bir.gov.ph. Meron na akong tutorial video on how to create ORUS account for individual and non-individual taxpayers. Nasa channel ko lang. Okay. Dito na tayo sa aking taxpayer. Naka-login na ako sa ORUS account. Dito ako sa update information. Click correct, change, or update registration. Then click update information. Then click head office. Kung anong i-update, head office or branch. Ito kasi ay head office para sa pagpili ng 8% income tax rate. Then click validate. Validated na yung taxpayer, status is active, registered name, RDO office, yun. Then, click information to update. Nandito, first siya sa option, avail of 8% income tax rate option. Then, click OK. I-click itong box, i-tick yung box. Okay. Basahin natin. The 8% income tax rate option is available for self-employed individuals, business, and or practice of profession who have gross sales or receipts and other non-operating income for the year does not exceed the 3 million VAT threshold. Taxpayers may avail for an 8% on gross sales or receipts and other non-operating income in excess of 250,000 in lieu of the graduated income tax rate and the percentage tax under Section 116 of the Tax Code as amended. Pwede siya sa self-employed individuals only. This option is not available for non-individual. Hindi pwede sa corporation. Hindi pwede sa OPC. Okay? Kapag self-employed individuals, pwedeng purely business, purely profession, or mixed income earner. Kasi 8% income tax rate, applicable siya for business. So, kung may employed pa rin ang taxpayer, may business din siya, o kaya may freelancing pa rin siya na job, pwede pa rin mag-avail ng 8% income tax rate. The application for registration information update through BIR Form 1905, signifying the intention to avail of the 8% income tax rate, must be filed at the beginning of every taxable year. Consequently, taxpayers availing this option will also require to select the 8% income tax rate option in filing the initial quarterly income tax return for income tax purposes, or first quarterly percentage tax return and or first quarterly income tax return. Otherwise, the graduated income tax rate applies. The availment is valid and irrevocable for the taxable year when the said rate was chosen. For more guidelines and procedures in availing the 8% income tax rate option, refer to the full text of Revenue Memorandum Order or RMO number 23-2018. Meron na rin akong video na nagdi-discuss ng RMO 23-2018. Panoorin nyo na lang po. Click continue. Okay. Then, i-tick lang tong tatlong box. Click submit application. Congratulations! Your application for information update with ARN. Basahin na lang. with ARNU2G60554B1688475 is approved on 2026-0502, May 2, 2026. You may check your taxpayer profile for the updated information. Okay. Kaya, screenshot ko muna to. Okay guys, nagawa ko na yung aking tutorial ngayon on how to avail 8% income tax rate for the taxable year 2026 through online registration and update system or ORUS. Okay? Thank you so much sa mga patuloy na sumusubaybay sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong clarifications, pwede kayong mag-comment sa aking video or pwede kayong mag-PM sa akin sa aking FB page, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Nag-o-offer na rin ako ngayon ng filing service and bookkeeping services. So, PM na lang kayo sa aking FB page. Thank you so much. Bye!